Hey there, in this quick video I'm going to compare the Roborock S8 with the Roborock Q5 Pro and what are the main differences that you need to know. So the suction power for the Roborock S8 is better at by 500 comparing to Roborock Q5 Pro. Then you can have battery life is similar. Then you can have navigation. Navigation is better for Roborock S8. You can have reactive 3D obstacle avoidance there that you don't have with the Roborock Q5 Pro. Then you're gonna have the mopping system. You can have advanced for the Roborock S8. You're gonna have vibrorized sounding mopping system, comparing to Roborock Q5 Pro, the vacuum and mop in one pass. Then the app control is kind of similar there. Now the dustbin capacity, when we're gonna look here, you're gonna have it better for Q5 Pro. You're gonna have 770. So this is huge. Maybe it's gonna be like important to you. Now the water tank capacity is better for the Roborock S8. Now the noise level is similar, but based on what I found. So to summarize this whole video, the price, it really depends where you buy it. Now when we can look here, the S8 is better suction power, similar battery life, better navigation, better mopping system. Dustbin capacity is lower, but the water tank capacity is higher. And that's pretty much it. I just want to make this like quick video for you regards the specs. Maybe you can find it beneficial, maybe not, I'm sorry. So thank you, have a great day and goodbye.